Hi Jeepers! Do you believe that there are accessories that will transform your Jeep trip? Oh yes, there is. Dive into a world of accessories tailor-made for Jeep adventure. Whether you crave rugged add-ons for off-road feats or sleek enhancements for city style, these accessories transform your Wrangler or Gladiator into the ultimate expression of Jeep life. So, ready for a dash of adventure or a touch of style? Please subscribe for even more videos. Sick of sitting on hot, sweaty seats in the summer and freezing your buns off in winter? Diver down seat covers are made of soft, cushiony neoprene wetsuit material to keep you comfy in any weather. Custom fit for Wrangler JKU, they install in minutes with straps and fasteners and retain all seat functions. Choose from 7 funky inner panel colors like lime green, orange, red or camel to give your interior a vibrant makeover. Thermal resistant neoprene stays cooler on scorching hot days yet warmer when it's chilly out. Durable and breathable too, so no more wet behind from sweaty vinyl seats. Thick padding feels oh so plush compared to standard seat covers. Front seat backs even have map pockets to stash small essentials. No more toasted buns or frostbitten behinds. Are you ready to dive in? Does your Wrangler or Gladiator cockpit feel more like a sauna than a sanctuary? Are you tired of peeling your sweaty skin off the hot vinyl seats and console after a day of off-roading under the merciless summer sun? And what about Scruff McGruff leaving a slimy trail of drool on your armrest from his afternoon nap? Yuck! Bring on the relief with the JKCOVER, a soft, cushy faux leather hug for your weary arm and abused console. Made of deluxe poo leather, it slips over effortlessly with handy elastic straps to keep it locked in place through mud holes, hill climbs and all your rowdy Jeep adventures. The specially designed keyhole gives you easy access to open and lock your storage box anytime. Choose between a sleek black or crisp white to perfectly complement your Wrangler or Gladiator style. No more sticking to sweaty vinyl seats or wiping up gooey dog drool and dirty paw prints. The JKCOVER wipes clean in a flash. Waterproof, durable materials and precision fitting ensures it stays looking pristine trip after trip. Give your cockpit and your arm a little luxury with the JKCOVER. Ditch the drips, stains and stickiness so you can ride in total comfort and armrest bliss. Tired of nosy passersby peeking into your open Jeep trunk? Keep your gear out of sight with clever cargo cover LITE Plus. Lightweight polyester shield installs in minutes with its smart strap system, no drilling required. Just strap it onto factory holes and voila, instant concealed storage. 6 handy tie-down rings let you securely attach tools, bags and other equipment. Adjust coverage full or half, even roll it entirely out of way when hauling bigger stuff. No more faded, weather-beaten gear or snooping eyes thanks to simple but clever cargo cover. Tired of muddy paws and dog hair ruining your Jeep's cargo area? Keep your interior pristine with SUNPIE's custom dog cargo cover. Tailor-made to fit 2007 to 2024 Wrangler models, it protects from dirt, drool and pet chaos. Heavy-duty waterproof fabric blocks liquids and contains mess, so no more soggy surprise cleanup. Also, if you're prone to any soggy stuff, stop trying to clean up after it. It installs and removes in seconds when not shuttling shedders, and lets you fold rear seats without removing the cover. You won't want to ruin that clean interior with dog hair, slobber and dirt from your dog after adventures. LOL. Ditch sad puppy eyes and a messy trunk thanks to SUNPIE's simple but handy cargo cover. Built for Jeep adventure but tough enough to contain pet chaos. Your Wrangler will stay hair and mess free as you both roam leash free. Cruising open road in your doorless Wrangler but struggling to see blind spots? Enjoy a 360 degrees view with Denforste's clever hinge mounted mirrors. Securing to body bolts in seconds without any drilling, adjustable convex mirrors clamp solidly in place. Compatible with all Jeep models new and old, universal joints provide endless positioning so you eliminate blind spots for safer lane changes and maneuvering. Made of durable corrosion-resistant materials, they hold steady even on rough terrain, thanks to tightening knob. Upgrade your doorless ride with mirrors Jeep should have installed from the factory. Feel like you're invisible to other drivers when signaling or braking in your JK? Light up the road and stay seen with OKSIWA Z-shaped LED tails. One-piece design makes for easy plug-and-play installation. Just wire up in minutes with no extra load resistors needed. Choose slick smoke lenses or clear red to match your JK style. Brighter and lower power than stock bulbs, upgraded LED functions include crisp white reverse lights to safely back up. Bright red brake lights so you stand out. Clear turn signals other drivers can't miss. Vibrant running lights for 360 degrees visibility. Make your presence known and stay out of the shadows. Sick of playing hide and seek trying to find your chapstick, charging cable and other tiny necessities in the black hole of your Wrangler JL or Gladiator JT console? And the madness with Vilasnow's clever built-in organizers. Laser measured for a flawless factory fit, the molded trays slot right into place to keep all your small stuff neatly stashed. The durable one-piece design prevents sagging or shifting, with textured bottoms so items stay put, not lost in the abyss of your central cavity. Molded from resilient ABS plastic, the trays coordinate with your JL interior for a sleek integrated look. Pressure and scratch resistant, they simply rinse clean after muddy off-road adventures. Designed just for 2018 to 2023 Wrangler JL/JLUs and Gladiator JT, these console caddies organize life's little necessities so they're not strewn underfoot. Grab a coffee cup without taking your eyes off the trail. Stop rifling and stay tidy with Vilasnow. Ever perform a less than graceful backwards tumble into your Jeep's cargo area trying to close that rear hatch window? And the struggle with AZUTO's rear grip handle. Installing in minutes with factory bolts, the grip matches your Wrangler JL's interior, looking decisively OEM. But its best trick? Giving even short arms the leverage to latch the window without fingerprints or climbing circus acts from either side. Have you shredded one too many stock plastic bumpers on the trail and spent hours duct taping the cracks in parking lots? And the embarrassing bumper battles with SUNPIE's rugged steel armor for your Wrangler JL. Compatible with all 2 doors and 4 doors 2018 to 2024 Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT models, the textured black powder-coated finish looks factory fresh while standing up to abuse. Made from thick 5/32 steel plate, muscular bumpers can bash through the brush without a scratch. No more cringe-worthy cracking sounds as flimsy factory parts disintegrate on rocky terrain. Both ends feature handy D-ring shackles so your ride can be rescued when you inevitably push it too far. The winch-ready design includes built-in scene lights to own the night. Up front, an epic 144 watts LED light bar is flanked by 40 watts pod lights and 36 watts bars for a total 360 degrees B's in your jeans brightness so you can set up camp in the pitch-black wilderness after your epic adventures. Out back, 36 watts LEDs bathe the rear in bright white light for backing up or work lighting. The texture black powder-coated steel looks stealth and matches your Jeep's aggro aesthetic. Ditch the pathetic plastic bumps for SUNPIE's heavy-duty armor. Why destroy OEM bumpers when SUNPIE offers heavy-duty replacements with integrated lighting? Now your JL can bash rocks and brush without a scratch, and you've got high-power scene lights for setting up camp after dark. Adventure awaits. Are you ready to shred in style? Protect your Wrangler TJ in sturdy style with OEDRO's heavy-duty flat fenders. Unlike cheap plastic flares that disintegrate on impact, steel shields power through trail damage without a dent. Powder-coated matte black with a subtle texture, they stand up to spraying gravel without chipping or peeling. Installation only takes a few hours with the included self-drilling screws. Built specifically for 1997 to 2006 TJ and LJ models, they replace narrow stock flares to give you that iconic flat fender look. Aggressive and angular, but precisely engineered not to rub your tires for great clearance. With OEDRO steel flat fender armor, you can blast down dusty back roads and barrel through brush without worrying about scratches. Added insurance against trail damage. Tired of getting stranded with cracked flares? Go flat out without the cracks. Whether tackling rocky terrain or just livening up your TJ's look, OEDRO brings durable attitude. Got more gear than your Wrangler JL has cargo space on weekends away? Have you ever wanted to pack your car to go on a trip but have had no place to put your items? Stop jam-packing the interior. The solution to this problem is WANGDUOYU's window Molle panels. Securing to factory bolt holes on 2018 to 2022 4-door hardtops, heavy-duty panels act like a second cargo deck to carry all the things without sacrificing legroom. Made from sturdy anodized aluminum alloy, they handle heavy tools and trail equipment, thanks to the modular Molle strap system. Set up your shovel, high lift jack and rooftop tent without blocking rear views, or strap on pouches full of emergency tools. Install fishing rod racks for your weekend getaway. Heck, mount a whole camping kitchen, the possibilities are endless. The textured matte black powder coat matches your aggressive Jeep while standing up to dings. Why leave essential gear at home when you could outfit an entire overlanding command center inside? Thanks to WANGDUOYU. Stop playing interior Tetris and mount your adventure, inside and out. WANGDUOYU turns your JL into the ultimate overlanding machine so you can carry it all. Let the adventures begin. Ever run dry miles from the nearest gas station, watching your fuel gauge nervously while praying for a miracle? End the stress with Scheem's useful bolt-on gas can mount. Securing to the body hinge points, 2.5 gallon can carries backup fuel or water for just such emergencies. The flexible spout prevents messy leaks so you can safely store petrol. Sturdy aluminum construction handles the weight of a standing adult in case you need a helpful boost. Specially designed for Wrangler JK, JL and JT models, the 3-point mount is rock solid up to 60 miles per hour trails so your reserve fuel supply stays put. Spacers protect the paint between mount and body. No more unnecessary tow trucks or desperate hitchhiking with Scheem's handy container. The next time your Wrangler starts sputtering on a remote scenic route, you'll smile knowing backup fuel is just a pour away. Install Scheem's gas can kit so you explore with peace of mind. No more stranded Jeeps or emergency services required. Thanks for tuning in, adventurers. I hope you enjoyed tour of Jeep accessories to upgrade your off-road beast. Make sure to check the video description for links to all gear we featured. Let us know which products caught your eye or if you have any recommendations for ultimate Wrangler build. Click subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming showcase of accessories.